This is the best chicken stir fry recipe you ever find on the internet. Stay tuned, let me share the recipe with you. I'll start by chopping my veggies, which I'm going to be listing all the ingredients on the comment section. So I'll go in and chop the onion, spring onion, bell pepper, broccoli and garlic. So now I am done with chopping all the veggies. I'll set this aside and go ahead and slice my chicken thighs into my desired size. So we're using chicken thighs for this recipe because this will give you that like crispiness. So at this point I'll add in my broccoli, some salt and boiling water into the broccoli to steam it, and also use the process to like wash it. And for my slurry, I'm going to be mixing 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 3 tablespoons dark soy sauce and 2 tablespoons cornstarch flour with 100 ml of room temperature water. I'll go ahead and give this a nice stir, and I'll set this aside as a thickener for my sauce. So now I'll go in and add in some oil into the pot, and I will transfer in my chopped chicken thighs. I'll go in and add in some dried garlic powder, add in some ginger powder, and I'll add in some chicken stock powder. All this seasoning used will also be listed on the comment section. I'll give this a nice stir and allow it to cook on a high heat. So at this point I'll add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This is going to make the chicken come out like really crispy. And also I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon full of cornstarch flour. This is going to make your chicken have that like texture. Like, I bet you want to continue to watch this recipe so you see the end result. So you can see what I was trying to explain to you. This is the texture of the chicken we're going for. So at this point I'll transfer in all the chopped veggies, give this a nice stir for just like 1-2 minutes because we want our veggies to still be like fresh and like a bit crunchy. Our broccoli is already pre-cooked in the hot boiling water, so we're just going to stir the chicken and the mixed veggies. At this point, I will get in my teriyaki sauce and I will transfer this into the chicken veggie, and I will also go ahead and create a space at the center so I can add in my slurry and like just like give it a nice stir. Now I'll go ahead and add in some black pepper to like give the sauce a nice spicy hint. And I tell you, this recipe is so easy to make and like it tastes so delicious. I bet you want to try this recipe and come back to the comment section to tell me your thoughts on the recipe. So now our chicken stir fry, our chicken teriyaki stir fry is ready. I'm just going to serve this with some nice day-old basmati rice. And thank you for watching. I hope you do enjoy this recipe. Please subscribe and like this video. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section, and I'll see you on my next one. To have a lovely day. Bye.